Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. What time is it?
It is 9 a.m. Look at the sun.
It feels different today.
That is because it is a new year.
Happy New Year, Tom.
Happy New Year, Sarah.
Can you believe it is 2026?
It sounds like the future, 2026.
2025 went by so fast.
Yes, but this year is going to be better
Why do you say that?
because we have a fresh start.
No more mistakes from last year.
Exactly. The slate is clean.
That is a nice thought.
Did you check your phone?
Not yet. I don't want to see messages yet.
Good idea. Let's enjoy the morning quiet.
Do we have coffee?
I will make the first coffee of 2026.
Make it strong, please.
Special coffee for a special day.
I feel happy today. Let's get out of bed.
After you.
Let's go start the year. Okay, I have a new notebook.
Is that for our resolutions?
Yes, we need to write them down.
If we write them, we must do them.
That is the rule.
Okay, what is your first goal?
My first goal is to read more books.
How many books?
1 book every month, so 12 books.
That is a good goal, very achievable.
What about you? What's your goal?
I want to learn a new skill.
Like what? Cooking? Coding?
Maybe guitar. I want to play the guitar.
We have a guitar in the garage.
Yes, but I don't know how to play it.
So, learn guitar is number 1.
Write it down. Tom becomes a rock star.
I will write Tom learns beginner guitar.
Fine, be realistic.
What is our couple goal?
A goal for both of us?
Yes, something we do together.
We should travel more.
Travel is expensive.
Maybe a small trip. Camping.
Okay, go camping 1 time this summer.
Perfect. I love camping.
Look at this kitchen counter.
There is so much food left from the party.
Cookies, cake, chocolate.
We cannot eat this in 2026.
Why not? It is delicious.
We need to be healthy. That is goal number 3.
Eat healthy. That is a hard goal.
We have to throw this junk food away.
Throw it away. That is wasteful.
If we keep it, we will eat it.
Can we give it to the neighbors?
The neighbors are also on a diet.
Okay, I will eat one last cookie.
No, Tom, start now.
Okay. Put it in the trash bag.
Goodbye, chocolate cake.
Goodbye, potato chips.
Now look at the fridge.
Is the fridge safe?
We need to buy vegetables today.
Carrots and spinach.
Yes, and water, lots of water.
I will miss the soda.
Your body will thank you.
Okay, Healthy Tom starts today.
I am proud of you.
Let's close the trash bag quickly.
Before you change your mind.
Exactly. Take it outside.
Okay, next topic, money.
Do we have to talk about money today?
Yes, December was very expensive.
The Christmas gifts cost a lot.
And the New Year's Eve dinner.
Let me check the bank app.
Don't cry when you see the number.
Logging in. Oh my.
Is it bad?
It is not great. The balance is low.
Okay, resolution number 4, save money.
How do we save money?
No more restaurants for January.
No restaurants? Not even fast food?
We have food at home, healthy food.
You were right. Cooking is cheaper.
And we need to cancel some subscriptions.
Do we have to cancel the movie channel?
We have 3 movie channels. Keep 1.
Okay, I will cancel the other 2.
That saves us $30 a month.
That is $360 a year.
See, it adds up.
We can put that money in the travel fund.
For our camping trip.
Suddenly, saving money sounds fun.
It is all about the goal, Tom.
You are very smart, Sarah. So, we are eating healthy.
And saving money.
We also need to exercise.
Yes, we sit too much.
Should I join a gym?
Gym memberships are expensive.
But they have nice machines.
And they are very crowded in January.
That is true. Everyone goes in January.
By February, they're empty.
So what should we do?
We can exercise for free.
You mean running outside?
Yes, or walking or yoga at home.
It is cold outside today.
We have warm jackets.
Running is hard.
We can start with walking.
Power walk, fast walking.
Yes, 30 minutes every day.
That sounds easy. I can do that.
It is good for your heart.
And it's free. Good for the budget.
Look at us. We're so organized.
2026 is going to be our healthiest year.
I really hope so.
Do we start tomorrow?
No, we start today.
Okay, shoes are on.
Do you have your jacket?
Yes, it is chilly outside.
Open the door. Welcome to the world.
The air smells fresh.
Is crisp and clean.
Look, the neighbors are walking too.
Everyone has the same idea today.
Which way should we go?
Let's go to the park and back.
That is a nice loop.
Hold my hand too.
My hands are cold, but okay.
Walking together is nice.
We are actually doing it.
Doing what?
Keeping our resolutions, day one.
Day 1 is the most important day.
What if I get lazy tomorrow?
Then I will push you.
And if you get lazy?
You have to pull me.
Deal. We are a team. Team 2026.
Look at that blue sky.
It is a beautiful beginning.
I'm glad we are doing this.
Me also. Let's keep walking.
Tom, it's Sunday. Time for our weekly check-in.
Already? The week went by fast.
Yes, but let's see how we did.
Did you keep your walking goal?
I walked 5 days this week. Missed 2, but I tried.
That's great. 5 is better than 0.
What about you? Did you read before bed?
Most nights, yes. I finished 1 book already.
Impressive.
Did you eat healthy this week?
I had salad for lunch 3 times.
But I ate cake on Friday.
That's okay. Balance is important.
I agree.
Are you still doing screen-free mornings?
Yes, and it helps me feel calm.
I want to try that next week.
Let's both do it together.
Deal. Team 2026 keeps going.
Sarah, I'm proud of us.
Why?
We made small changes, but they feel big.
Yes, I feel happier and less stressed.
Let's celebrate our first week.
How should we celebrate?
With a homemade dinner at a movie at home.
That sounds perfect.
I'll cook tonight.
I'll make dessert.
What movie should we watch?
Something funny and light.
Good idea.
Here's to small steps.
Cheers to us, Sarah.
Cheers, Tom. Tom, we need to go grocery shopping for the week.
Yes, our fridge is almost empty.
Let's make a list before we go.
Good idea. What do we need for healthy meals?
Lots of vegetables. Carrots, spinach, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
Should we get some fruit too?
Yes, apples and bananas for snacks.
What about protein?
Chicken breasts and some eggs.
Do we need bread?
Yes, but let's get whole wheat this time.
Okay. Do you want to buy any treats?
Maybe just 1 small chocolate bar for the weekend.
That's fair. What about drinks?
Just water and maybe some green tea.
I'll write everything down.
Don't forget rice and cooking oil.
Got it. Should we walk to the store or drive?
Let's walk. It's good exercise and the weather's nice.
All right, let's grab our reusable bags and go.
I love shopping with you.
Me too. It's more fun together.
Dinner was delicious, Sarah.
Thank you. I enjoyed cooking with you.
I feel relaxed after our walk and healthy meal.
Me too. I think our U routine is working.
Do you want to watch a movie or read tonight?
Let's read for a bit, then maybe watch a short show.
Sounds good. I want to finish my book this week.
I'll make us some herbal tea.
Perfect. I'll get the blankets.
The living room feels so cozy now.
I like this quiet time before bed.
It helps me sleep better.
I agree. No more scrolling on my phone at night.
That's a good habit.
I'm proud of us for sticking to our goals.
Me too. Let's keep supporting each other.
Always. Here's to a peaceful night and a great tomorrow.
Good night, Tom.
Good night, Sarah. Sarah, today felt really productive.
Yes, we did a lot. We walked, shopped, cooked, and even cleaned the house.
I feel tired, but it's a good kind of tired.
Same here. I like ending the day with a clean kitchen and a plan for tomorrow.
What's on our list for Monday?
I have work in the morning, then I want to read for 20 minutes after lunch.
I'll go for a run before breakfast, then work on my project.
Don't forget to call your mom in the afternoon.
Thanks for the reminder. I'll do that after my meeting.
Should we prepare our clothes for tomorrow now?
Yes, let's lay them out so we don't rush in the morning.
I'll also pack my bag tonight.
I'll set the coffee machine for 7 a.m.
Perfect. I love when mornings are easy.
Me too. It helps me start the day with a smile.
Let's try to go to bed early tonight.
Agreed. I want to wake up fresh and ready.
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, Doom. Sweet dreams.
Tom, have you ever walked around the new neighborhood near the river?
No, I haven't. Is it nice?
Yes, I heard there are lots of small cafes and art shops.
That sounds interesting. Maybe we can go this afternoon.
I'd love that. We can take the bus and get off near the old bridge.
Good idea. Should we bring our cameras?
Definitely. I want to take some photos of the street art.
And maybe we can try a new coffee shop.
Yes, and I want to see the little bookstore everyone talks about.
Let's make a list. Coffee, bookstore, art shop, and a walk by the river.
Perfect. I'll wear my comfortable shoes.
I'll bring an umbrella, just in case.
I hope it doesn't rain, but if it does, we'll just find a cozy place to sit.
Exploring new places with you is always fun.
Same here. Let's leave after lunch.
Deal. I'm looking forward to our little adventure. Sarah, do you want to go for a drive in the countryside this weekend?
That sounds wonderful. I haven't seen the fields in a long time.
We can pack a picnic and stop by the lake.
Yes, I'll make sandwiches and bring some fruit.
I'll fill the car with gas and check the tires.
Should we leave early in the morning?
Yes, let's leave by 8 a.m. so we can enjoy the whole day.
I want to take a walk in the forest and maybe pick some wildflowers.
And I want to take photos of the sunrise if we're lucky.
We can listen to music and talk on the way.
And maybe stop at a small village for coffee.
I love that idea. It will be a nice break from the city.
I'll bring a map, just in case we lose signal.
Good thinking. I'll pack a blanket for the picnic.
I'm excited for a peaceful day together.
Me too. Let's make it a tradition. One countryside trip every month.
Agreed. I can't wait for Saturday.
Tom, it's raining again.
I know. Our park plan is ruined.
Not really. Let's do something indoors.
Like what?
How about visiting the city museum?
That's a great idea. I haven't been there in years.
Me neither. I heard there's a new art exhibit.
Should we take the bus or drive?
Let's take the bus. Parking is always hard downtown.
Good point. I'll grab the umbrella.
I'll bring my notebook. Sometimes I like to sketch the paintings.
I'll bring my camera. Maybe we can take some photos in the lobby.
I love museum cafes. We can have coffee and cake after we look around.
Sounds perfect. Let's leave it in 20 minutes.
I'll get my coat.
I'm glad we're not letting the rain stop us.
Me too. Sometimes rainy days are the best for exploring.